Many believe in ghosts, and many do not. But it is really difficult to find a person who is not afraid of ghosts, no matter how brave he is. We know ghosts live on big trees, cemeteries, crematoriums, old houses. But if you were told about an island, where ghosts live, would you believe it? Believe it or not, there is an island in this world where ghosts live. The island is located in the heart of New York City, United States. In today's episode, I will show you the unknown story of that haunted island. Isolated from modern glamorous New York City, this island is called North Brother Island. It is also known as Abandoned Island. There are many stories and fairy tales surrounding this island. Many people say the island has been devastated by the epidemic. Some say people left this island because of the invisible spirits. Many people say the island was washed away by the sea. The island was inhabited by people around 1885. In the event of an outbreak of an infectious disease in New York, the patient would be evacuated to the island. A hospital was built on this secluded island. Many patients died here during the treatment, and their death has cursed the island. Since then, people's curiosity and fear towards this island have increased day by day. From then on, many people considered this island as the place of death. People also believe the souls of the dead are hidden in the solitude of the island in the American way. They wake up in the dark of night and kill people ruthlessly. When all this horrible information about the island spread, the number of people from this island started decreasing. At one point people started leaving the island in groups. As a result, the hospital was abandoned and Brother Island gradually became depopulated. Since then, various stories and tales have been circulating around the island. In the descriptions of those who were on this island, one tragic incident comes out. Many people claim to have met demons. Many returning from the island began to tell stories of the horrible deeds of evil spirits, which further frightened the common man. Returning from the island, many people reported dead people were moving around the island at night, and cries could be heard throughout the night. Fires are burning all over the island. Seeing the island from a distance, it looked like a dreamland, but once you get inside, you have to sink into the darkness under the green trees. At present, the island is in a state of human habitation, as a witness to many histories.